Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 Subject EVS. Chapter number 11, Our Vehicles. Today we are going to continue with the additional exercise of this chapter. Okay, let's start. Question 4, fill in the blanks. First one, when there is a fire, we call the dash for help. Whom we call when there is a fire, students? Yes, we call fire brigade. So answer is fire brigade. When there is a fire, we call the fire brigade for help. Second one, the dash is the most useful vehicle for village people. Which vehicle is most useful for village people, students? Yes, it's a bullock cart. You can see this is the bullock cart. It is the most useful vehicle for village people. Third one, the dash is the fastest way to travel between two big cities. The airplane is the fastest way to travel between two big cities. Okay. Fourth one, for selling vegetables and other similar things, a dash is useful. Which vehicle is useful for selling vegetables and other similar things, students? Yes, it's a hand cart. You can see, students, this is the hand cart. It is very useful for selling vegetables and other similar things, other small things. Fifth one, firemen use a fire engine for dash. So the answer is firemen use a fire engine for putting up the fire. The animal useful in farming is dash. The animal useful in farming is bullock. You can see here, students, that how bullock is useful for farming, students. Now question 5. Answer in one word or one sentence. How many wheels does a bullock cart have? You can see here, students, that bullock cart has two big wooden wheels. You can see wooden wheels. Okay. So the answer is two big wooden wheels. Second one. Do all trucks have the same number of wheels? So the answer is no. Some big and heavy trucks have more than 10 wheels and some small trucks have 6 to 8 wheels. You can see here, students, this type of big and heavy trucks have more than 10 wheels. You can see that. More than 10 wheels. Okay. And this type of small trucks have 6 to 8 wheels. Now third one. Name two vehicles used for air travel. It's airplane and helicopter. Fourth one. If you want to go from city in India to New York in USA. If you want to go from city in India to New York in USA, by which vehicle will you travel? Yes, we will go in an aeroplane. Fifth one. Name 5 vehicles of transport which are used to transport goods. It's a truck, postal delivery van, handcart, tempo and goods train. Sixth one. How many types of transports are there in Gujarat? Which? There are 4 types of transport in Gujarat. Roadways, airways, railways and waterways. You can see here roadways. You can see roadways, airways, railways. You can see rails and waterways. You can see here. Okay, so write question 4 and question 5 in your book as a homework. In our next video, we'll start our chapter number 12, work we do. Okay students, thank you.